Chapter 10. Machine Learning in AI. Artificial Intelligence, AI, and Machine Learning, ML, represents an important evolution in computer science and data processing that is quickly transforming a vast array of industries. Although AI is often thought of as a system in itself, it is a set of technologies implemented in a system to enable it to reason, learn, and act to solve a complex problem. Machine Learning. Machine learning is an application of AI that enables systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on developing computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. Working of machine learning. Similar to how the human brain gains knowledge and understanding, machine learning relies on input such as training data or knowledge graphs to understand entities, domains, and the connections between them. With entities defined, deep learning can begin. The machine learning process begins with observations or data such as direct experience or instruction. It looks for patterns in data so it can later make inferences based on the examples provided. The primary aim of ML is to allow computers to learn autonomously without human intervention or assistance and adjust actions accordingly. ML algorithms improve performance over time as they are trained, exposed to more data. FactGPT. Vertex AI is Google Cloud's all-in-one platform for creating, training, and using ML and generative AI models. It helps make the whole ML process easier, from getting data ready to checking how the model is working. Importance of machine learning. ML has proven valuable because it can solve problems at a speed and scale that cannot be duplicated by the human mind alone. With massive amounts of computational ability behind a single task or multiple specific tasks, machines can be trained to identify patterns in and relationships between input data and automate routine processes. The more data used, the better the model will get. There are three key aspects of machine learning, which are as follows. Task. A task is defined as the main problem in which we are interested. This task problem can be related to the predictions and recommendations and estimations, etc. Experience. It is defined as learning from historical or past data and used to estimate and resolve future tasks. Performance. It is defined as the capacity of any machine to resolve any machine learning task or problem and provide the best outcome for the same. However, performance is dependent on the type of machine learning problems. Types of machine learning. The type of algorithm data scientists choose to use depends on what type of data they want to predict. There are four basic approaches. Unsupervised learning. This type of machine learning involves algorithms that train on unlabeled data. The algorithm scans through data sets looking for any meaningful connection. The data that algorithms train on as well as the predictions or recommendations they output are predetermined. Supervised learning. In this type of machine learning, data scientists supply algorithms with labeled training data and define the variables they want the algorithm to assess for correlations. Both the input and the output of the algorithm are specified. Semi-supervised learning. This approach to machine learning involves a mix of the two preceding types. Data scientists may feed an algorithm mostly labeled training data, but the model is free to explore the data on its own and develop its own understanding of the data set. Reinforcement learning. Data scientists typically use reinforcement learning to teach a machine to complete a multi-step process for which there are clearly defined rules. Data scientists program an algorithm to complete a task and give it positive or negative cues as it works out how to complete a task. But for the most part, the algorithm decides on its own what steps to take along the way. Areas adopting machine learning. ML is already widely used by businesses across all sectors to advance innovation and increase process efficiency. Let's know about these areas. Data security. Machine learning models can identify data security vulnerabilities before they can turn into breaches. By looking at past experiences, machine learning models can predict future high-risk activities so the risk can be proactively mitigated. Finance, banks, trading brokerages and fintech firms use machine learning algorithms to automate trading and provide financial advisory services to investors. Bank of America is using a chatbot, Erica, to automate customer support. Healthcare. ML is used to analyze massive healthcare data sets to accelerate the discovery of treatments and cures, improve patient outcomes, and automate routine processes to prevent human error. For example, IBM's Watson uses data mining to provide physicians with data they can use to personalize patient treatment. Fraud detection. AI is being used in the financial and banking sector to autonomously analyze large numbers of transactions to uncover fraudulent activity in real time. Retail. AI researchers and developers are using ML algorithms to develop AI recommendation engines that offer relevant product suggestions based on buyers' past choices as well as historical, geographic, and demographic data. Modern applications for AI. AI has the unique ability to extract meaning from data when you can define what the answer looks like but not how to get there. AI can amplify human capabilities and turn exponentially growing data into insight, action, and value. Today, AI is used in a variety of applications across industries including healthcare, manufacturing, and government. Here are a few specific use cases. Through an open architecture for IT/OT, preventative maintenance and quality control enhance production, manufacturing, and retail. By using enterprise AI-based computer vision techniques, integrated solutions recommend the optimal maintenance options, automate tasks, and improve quality control procedures. Speech and language processing transforms unstructured audio data into insight and intelligence. It automates the understanding of spoken and written language with machines using natural language processing, speech-to-text analytics, biometric search, or live call monitoring. Video analytics and surveillance automatically analyzes video to detect events, uncover identity, environment and people, and obtain operational insights. It uses edge-to-core video analytics systems for a wide variety of workloads and operating conditions. Highly autonomous driving is built on a scale-out data ingestion platform to enable developers to build the optimum highly autonomous driving solution tuned for open-source services, machine learning, and deep learning neural networks. Drawbacks of machine learning. Machine learning is not based on knowledge. Machine learning cannot attain human-level intelligence. Machines are driven by data, not human knowledge. As a result, intelligence is dictated by the volume of data you have to train it with. Machine learning models are difficult to train. It takes time and resources to train machines. Massive data sets are needed to create data models, and the process involves manually pre-tagging and categorizing data sets. This resource drain can create latency and bottlenecks in advancing ML initiatives. Machine learning is prone to data issues. Mostly companies have experienced training-related problems with data quality, data labeling, and building model confidence. This has created an extraordinarily high threshold for ML success. Machine learning is often biased. Machine learning systems are known for operating in a black box, meaning you have no visibility into how the machine learns and makes decisions. Thus, if you identify an instance of bias, there is no way to identify what caused it. Your only recourse is to retrain the algorithm with additional data, but that is no guarantee to resolve the issue. Difference between machine learning and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Machine learning. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables a machine to simulate human behavior. Machine learning is a subset of AI which allows a machine to automatically learn from past data without programming explicitly. The goal of AI is to make a smart computer system like humans to solve complex problems. The goal of ML is to allow machines to learn from data so that they can give accurate output. In AI, we make intelligent systems to perform any task like a human. In ML, we teach machines with data to perform a particular task and give an accurate result. Machine learning and deep learning are the two main subsets of AI. Deep learning is a main subset of machine learning. AI has a very wide range of scope. Machine learning has a limited scope. AI is working to create an intelligent system that can perform various complex tasks. Machine learning is working to create machines that can perform only those specific tasks for which they are trained. AI system is concerned about maximizing the chances of success. Machine learning is mainly concerned about accuracy and patterns. The main applications of AI are Siri, customer support using chatbots, expert systems, online game playing, and intelligent humanoid robot, etc. The main applications of machine learning are the online recommender system, Google search algorithms, Facebook auto-friend tagging suggestions, etc. On the basis of capabilities, AI can be divided into three types: weak AI, general AI, and strong AI. Machine learning can also be divided into mainly four types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. It includes learning, reasoning, and self-correction. When introduced to new data, AI completely deals with structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Machine learning deals with structured and semi-structured data. Recapitulate. Machine learning focuses on developing computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. The machine learning process begins with observations or data, such as direct experience or instruction. A task is defined as the main problem in which we are interested. There are four basic approaches to machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. AI is being used in the financial and banking sector to autonomously analyze large numbers of transactions to uncover fraudulent activity in real time. Machine learning cannot attain human-level intelligence. Gloss GPT. Explicitly, in a clear and detailed manner. Inferences, a conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. Predetermined, established or decided in advance. Breaches, an act of breaking or failing to observe a law, agreement or code of conduct. Mitigated, make something bad less severe, serious or painful.